Welcome back to Math Solver 1117, where math become easy and fun. In this channel, you will find the complete solution of many Olympiad math problem, many board exams, international and national. In this video, we will solve a very interesting Olympiad math problem, that is x plus y equals 20 and xy equals 44. You have to find the value of x and y. So, we will solve this question by substitution method. So, in substitution method, we will first suppose x plus y equals 20 as equation 1 and xy equals 44 as equation 2. After this, we will substitute the value of x from equation 1 in equation 2. That means x equals 20 minus y. This is the equation 3. So, put in equation 2. So, we get xy equals 44. In place of x, we will put 20 minus y into y equals 44. Now, y is multiply. We get 20y plus y square equals 44. Now, we will make this a quadratic equation. So, y square will goes to this side, minus 20y plus 44 equals 0. So, we cannot make the factor of this. We will apply the quadratic formula. So, y equals minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2. So, y equals minus b is minus 20 plus minus b square means 20 square minus 4 into ac. A is 1 and c is 44 divided by 2a means 2. So, this will become 20 plus minus 20 square is 400 minus 4 4s are 16, 4 4s are 16 and this is 176 divided by 2. So, this is equals 20 plus minus, we will subtract this and get 224 divided by 2. Now, we will take the LCM of 224 here. So, we get 224 LCM will be, now we will take the LCM of 224. So, this will become 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. So, this is 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. Then 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are, 2 8s are 16. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are and the 7 1s are. That means we will get 2 into 2, this will write here. We get y equals 20 plus minus root 224 equal 1 2 3 4 16 into 14 divided by 2. So, y equals 20 plus minus means 10 plus minus 4 root 14 divided by 2. So, when divided by 2, we get y equals 20 is divided by 2, we get 10. 10 plus minus 2 root 14. So, this is the value of y. Now, we will get the value of x from this. So, when y equals 10 plus 2 root 14, then x will equals 20 minus 10 minus 2 root 14. So x equals 10 minus 2 root 14. And when y equals 10 minus 2 root 14, we get x equal 20 minus 10 plus 2 root 14. So 10 plus 2 root 14. So this is the value of x. So we will write the final solution here, that we get x equals 10 plus 2 root 14 and y will equals 10 minus 2 root 14. So, and when x equals 10 minus 2 root 14, y will equal 10 plus 2 root 14. So this is the final answer. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also press the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another Olympiad math problem. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.